The price breakdown fields give you an overview of the listed and offered prices and the differences between them. Listing price is the price that the property was listed for in your listing record. Final price is the price that the transaction concluded for and is the offered amount price from the offer that this transaction was created from. Percentage of listed price is the percentage difference between the final price and the listing price. A number above 100% means that the listing sold for more than the listed price, and a number below 100% means it sold for less than the listing price. This will give you a good idea of how the market is performing, and when you have several transactions in the system, you will start to see a trend. This is very useful when talking to sellers and landlords to give them an idea of what kinds of offers they should be expecting on their listings. For sale and developer sale transaction types, the mortgage taken field allows you to record if this transaction was done with the buyer taking bank finance for his purchase. The rental transaction types and the payment terms fields allow you to record if the payment terms are monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or yearly. The deposit amount field allows you to record how much deposit was paid by the tenant for the rental. The payment method field allows you to record who the payment will be made by the tenant to the landlord. All of these fields will make it easy to renegotiate the lease agreement when it comes to an end or to place a new tenant if this tenant leaves.